This is a brick breaker game. Let's build this using ChatGPT in less than 2 minutes. Open ChatGPT website and type here code for brick breaker game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then press enter. As you see, now ChatGPT is generating code for our game and it will take few seconds to complete. For this game, code is not that simple. It will like at least 200 lines of code. As of now, ChatGPT has some time limit for replying. It around 20 or 30 seconds. So if it stops in the middle, just say continue and it will start writing response exactly from where it left. For this game, HTML and CSS is very easy part. The important thing here is JavaScript code because we need to write code for basic functionality of this game like draw the canvas with ball, bricks and pedal and then update the ball position, collision detection and score update and then changing the frame and most importantly event listeners to control the game like key press or cursor movement. And right now ChatGPT is creating all this JavaScript code for us. Finally, our code is generated. So let's copy all this code one by one and paste in index.html file. Look at this guys, almost 200 lines of code and ChatGPT created it in less than 2 minutes and like a good software engineer it could take let's say 30 or 40 minutes to write these lines of code. Let's open our file in browser. This is our game. I know it doesn't look so good, but hey, we can change some CSS and make it look better. Right now I'm playing this game and it's working perfectly fine. As you can see, pedal is moving with cursor movement, ball position is changing, collision detection is working, score is getting updated, and finally after breaking all the bricks, it shows winning alert pop-up.